defend yourself, one don't look like one and two.
Whenever you understand one thing. I said before I did have money.
British-Jamaican Dancehall artist Stylo G has revealed that there was an attempt on his life just a few days ago while he was in Miami. Yes, you heard that right. Stylo G took to Instagram to share that someone tried to take his life, but thankfully, he's still here, standing strong. In a post shared on his Instagram, Stylo G says, "Dem try kill me a few days ago, in a Miami, but God esish no weapon form against me shall prosper." He also shared a photo of himself at the hospital, hooked up to ECG electrodes and wearing a patient wristband, hinting at just how serious the situation was. But wait, despite the attempted attack, Stylo G is out here making it clear that the show must go on. He's in the Gambia now, gearing up for his performance at Gamrock today. Talk about resilience. He even shared some videos of himself meeting fans on the streets of the West African country. Could this be a sign of a greater purpose for him? Was this attack just a setback on his journey to even bigger things?
Come on. Welcome, top man.
Yeah, we love you. We love you. We love your friend. You didn't have to say this. Let's go to the
Ready? Make sure you have your flash. Ilan mo tayo na po mo? Ba't mo nga taba? Mira.
This is Stylo G.
This way. Yo. That was a suitcase. Yeah. Yeah, man. Santa.
Get down right in there.
Shut down the whole city tomorrow. Done.
Done now, yeah?
Done now. Stylo G. Yes, up the dummy and Stylo G.
So, we're gonna go shopping. Let's see. Yeah?
Stylo.
Taxi driver shot in St. Andrew. Brutal attack in Lawrence Tavern. In heartbreaking news, a taxi driver was shot multiple times in what appears to be a targeted attack in the Lawrence Tavern area of St. Andrew, Jamaica. In disturbing footage circulating online, you can see 3 armed men rushing up to the parked taxi and opening fire. The attack, which happened on December 14th, 2024 at 9:21 p.m., resulted in at least a dozen gunshots being fired. The attackers didn't seem to have any hesitation, returning to the vehicle several times to continue the assault. It's chilling to think about the brutality involved here. People in the comments are already speculating. Some believe it was a planned hit. One commenter pointed out that the attackers were waiting for the victim, which raises even more questions about the true motive behind this violent act. Others are highlighting the growing sense of fear in Jamaica, with one user saying, "Jaja is like the place that get less and less safer every day." What do you think? Was this a robbery? Or is there something deeper at play here? Why is violence like this becoming so common? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about how we can tackle this issue together. Things are heating up in the dancehall world. Bounty Killer is known for bringing the vibes, but things took a turn when Vybz Cartel left the event early. So, what's really going on? According to Foota Hype, who's never afraid to speak his mind, Bounty Killer shouldn't be upset with Cartel, especially because of Cartel's health struggles. Now, some are wondering if Cartel's early exit is part of a bigger drama brewing between these two. Or was it simply a misunderstanding? And let's not forget the hot moments at the event with Popcorn, Scatta, and the whole crew. People are speculating about possible dices. Foota Hype is stepping in to defend Cartel, urging Bounty to understand that the man's health isn't at its best.
So, please, Alliance fans, Bounty Killer fans, give Cartel a pass. It would have been historic and it would have been so great if him did touch the stage. See? But we can give him a pass. You understand what I'm saying? Please. 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 People, remember me not say Gaza. Remember FHM Straight Nation me say. Zine, remember me saying the gully on the map. But I know that we are deal with fairness and we are deal with positive thinking. You understand me? I say, so I beg you, killer. Killer, me know you stay. You're a man where you pre things and you're a jealous general. Cause you want people to show you the same respect where you show them. You understand me? I say? And me know you're good at Bex because of that are the bigger look. Because when we are talking about alliance, Cartel are one of the key components in our alliance. Elephant are one of the key components. Movado, Busy Signal, Baby Sham. You know me I say? Foota Hype, Wayne Marshall, Bling Dog. We know the usual suspects. You see me? So me a beg a killer. I could blame it upon the Graves disease. I could blame it upon say him a run off of fumes because him sure him go funeral them say him up and down and you know him a drink and a smoke when him not fi drink and smoke, so probably him just tired. We don't know if him did need a bathroom break or you know me I say we don't know. So me I say to all the people them a cuss and to all people feel like him betray you because him not touch the stage, don't pray that way the killer. Don't pray that way. Don't pray that way. The fact say him come out early and him did it from early and him a well of vibes from early. Me think the show run little late-ish. Me just feel like say him could have gone more and him leave. You see me? Some people are say actual busy and assassin make him cut. I don't think so. Cause him would go in at the first place. Cause him know say busy I got there. Him know say assassin I got there. Him know Sprague I got there. Him know everybody where I got there. Him know Bling Dog and Marshall I got there. You understand? Me not rule out if them have no problem, because I never put blink on him show, nor Marshall, but under that me I say. Me I say, the fact say him forward. You see me? The fact say him forward, and him the dead, we have to give him the benefit of the doubt. You understand what I say? And I say, yes, him did forward. My youth, you can't say people make a big deal out of nothing. Don't say that. Bounty killer run from over UDC car park. 1,000 police a fight. Killer from going to Cartel show. Killer take all like disrespect them. Because you don't know what's going on. You know. Remember say, the police them style killer out of the gate too, you know. And killer take, remember killer a madman, you know. And killer take a disrespect and go in to go represent for Cartel. So don't tell me about people that make big thing out of nothing. It's not out of nothing. It is expected for Cartel to grace the stage with Bounty Killer and friends. It is expected. But we are say, me no want Killer really hold him. We not hold him say him style with. You understand me I say? So don't say is making something out of nothing. It's a big thing. You understand? And if we are tit for tat, we are going to preach a Cartel should I sing, but we have to look upon the reality and be honest. Him is a sick man. And him I go hard from a day. You understand? So me no know if the show just draw out little long and him could manage no more. You understand me I say? Oh, you mean if them did have killer outside too? Be a disrespect. That's why me I tell you say, from some face, when killer asks for a particular amount of money, if you do the tribute to Bounty Killer, because Killer want to make sure say every guest where him a call or Ray, him can buy them plane ticket and get them hotel and make sure say them have a thing in them pocket and scatter. Say Killer no worth the money there and Killer did run them way. So all of them grievance they are carry from extended things. So when the man them come to represent for Cartel, them style the man them neatly. And that's why I tell you say, the whole puppy thing, you see me, and not just puppy come with too much people. Them plan for this puppy and them plan for this killer. I'll spice them with this out there. Them pop off Lisa Hype wig out there. That's why when you see Lisa Hype comes up and run up on the stage, she run out of breath and her wig not fix good and them pop off her wig out there. Yeah, man. Remember, Spice have to tell them, say, yeah, I'm a big artist, I'm not in an argument with them. Alright. Remember, run an artist part, a 3-tier of security you have to go through, you know. Run an artist part. Why? I know regular patron artists, them, so why them have to go through 3-tier of police? Them, these crazy people around there. That's why when Cartel called Sheba the first time, now Sheba couldn't forward. You understand what I'm saying? A whole heap of thing going over them, man. A whole heap of thing going over them, I don't lie. A whole heap of people get disrespect. All one woman buy her cabana, a white woman, and nearly 18 the police them gear in her face. The woman said she planned for sue. Be a thing going over them. Me I wonder how them do all of them something them. Me don't know. Me don't know what go on. So when Killer go through all of that, for go to Cartel show, it's only expected that a couple days after Bounty Killer and Friends, which Cartel is one of Bounty Killer's biggest proteges, is expected to come bless the stage for Killer. You understand what I'm saying? But my thing is Cartel was there. Cartel was at Bounty Killer and Friends from early. L.A. Lewis, me see there from early. Big up Auntie Babsy Grange. Boy, Auntie Babsy, at your age, for your support everybody, so I have to give you your props. I have to give you your props, Auntie Babsy. Because I notice Andrew Ongo go labor right event or event the labor right people are keep. But anti-Vybz go everywhere. Mark Goldie not go nowhere at all. You understand? So, I have to big up anti-Vybz Grange, you know. Because she there Cartel, she there Bounty and Friends, she there Assassin, you know. She supports thing. I like how she a campaign.
Does Bounty have a right to feel some type of way? Or is Foota Hype on point by defending his fellow artiste? What do you think? Drop your comments below. I want to know what you think. I'm out.